Right. Hello, guys. I have a question with me here. It's not basically a big question, but it's for those who are starting on basic algebra. This question I have here is 4x minus b plus 2d minus b minus 6x. And if you can see clearly there, I've used different colors so that you can see on this part 4x here. I've used black, and if you check on the expression, the algebraic expression, you see there's a part also with black. In algebra, when terms are using the same letter, we say those are like terms. They are called like terms. It means they are the same items. If X is representing bread, it means we have 4 loaves of bread. And we also have minus 6 loaves of bread. That's what it means. And this B will mean we have minus 2 of whatever it is that is the B is representing. And D is not part of whatever else is on red and black. Now, the main thing here is the first thing you have to do when you are adding or subtracting in basic algebra, you have to first group like terms. If you are asked to simplify like this, in this case, so in this case, to simplify, I must bring like terms closer to each other. What do I mean? Now, let's see what I mean here. The first step I go for is this 4x is similar to minus 6x. So I bring in minus 6x. And remember on this one, I have taken minus 6x. I've carried with the sign that precedes the coefficient of that given term must be carried with that term whenever you are transposing the term. Whenever you are moving a term in algebra, it carries its sign. That's the basic rule. The first thing you must always remember when you're doing algebra. Now, I've brought in 4x minus 6x. It's now standing on its own. I go on to take the other part, which is minus 2b. Minus 2b. I can see there's another b there, another b, minus that b. I've grouped the b's and the x. Now the d's are only, there's only one d, which is plus 2d. We don't have another term with d, so I just put it back as is, plus 2d. Now the next thing is I now perform my operations. Like in this case, 4x minus 6x, we know we are taking 6 from a lesser number. It means the answer will be a negative 2x. Minus 2b minus b, it means I'm taking out minus 2. From minus 2, I'm taking another b out. It means totally I'll take out minus 3b. Then I put back my plus 2d. This is the most simplified form of the given question. This is the only, it can be a question of rearranging only if you want to rearrange it in the format that most people are used to see it like. I would rather start by writing 2d first, then I ignore the positive sign, because always in algebra or in any type of mathematics, when we write a positive number, first we don't consider writing down the sign. It can be written as 2d minus 2x minus 3b. It can also be simplified like this. Now you also have to remember, as long as you are carrying the signs along, any arrangement, you can start by writing minus 3b, you can start by writing minus 2x, you can start by writing 2d like I just did. As long as you keep the signs on their expressions, like the negative signs, the positive signs must always be on their rightful parts. you won't get anything wrong. So this is a basic thing I really thought you, students who are starting on algebra or are starting on this topic of adding numbers, and also they really need to know the basics of carrying numbers with their signs, carrying terms with their signs, and also we also have to take note of the numbers that are written on this number next to the letter here is called a coefficient. It's called a coefficient. This number is called a coefficient. So in this case, we have a coefficient of d is 2, the coefficient of x is -2, the coefficient of b is -3. That's how we name these numbers next to the letters for easy reference when you're dealing with algebraic expressions. Thank you so much, guys. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share also with friends who may be struggling on these things. Thank you so much.